My name is Tammo. I'm with Mode. I'm actually one of the co-founders of Mode Sports Nutrition. As you see up here, we are a sports nutrition company, all natural sports nutrition. We don't use anything artificial whatsoever. We have a lineup of electrolyte hydration drinks over there. There's a pineapple, a lemonade, a green apple, and a raspberry flavor. A couple things to call out about those is they're low in sugar, they have a really good electrolyte mineral mix, so it measures or mirrors the ratio of minerals you sweat out during workouts and replenishes those. They also have a natural betaine from the sugar beet in it, which doesn't add sugar, but it helps to metabolize carbohydrates and protein. We have a plant-based vegan protein. It's flax, peas, rice, chia and pumpkin protein, no soy, very low on fat, low on carbs, 25 grams of protein per serving. We have a line of cold-pressed drinks. Actually, what you see here on the left is a pre-workout drink, beet and pomegranate based. We have on the right-hand side an intra drink. So intra-workout drink helps to re-energize muscles and eliminate any crampings that you might experience when working out or in the heat. Lastly, we have a line of what we call energy blocks. There's a sample over here, our blueberry and coconut blocks. They're individually wrapped, nice little square there, and they come in a blueberry coconut flavor, as you can see here, and also mango, apricot, and a chocolate walnut flavor. So those are our products. As I said, there's nothing artificial to them. We don't use any artificial sweeteners, artificial colors. All natural sports nutrition. You can find us online at myfitmode.com. When we go to events, we typically sample and sell all of those products, and we'd be happy for you to stop by and check us out.